Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download Chase mobile banking app in our Android device. So first of all, we need to go and click on the Play Store app. There on the search engine we need to search for Chase mobile banking app. After getting the Chase mobile banking apps option, we need to click download, which will then start to download in few minutes. After the download procedure is completed, it will start installing, and right after being installed it will go through the security scan. So after the app passes the security scan, you will be redirected to the Chase app. Now all you need to do is to go back to the home screen and check where your Chase mobile banking app is, and that's how you download Chase mobile banking. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. See you all in our next video. Keep on supporting. Till then, bye.